Rovizol Ryanel Binesh D. Best in Filipino, Enthusiastic Learner Award, Tenacious Striver Award, Prudent Worker Award, Sparkler Award, Star Reader Award, Batang Magalang Award, 3rd place in Speech Festival. Segi Rain Crisa, Batang Maasahan Award, Good Friend Award,